Vietnam is a land of vibrant cities, lush landscapes, and unforgettable adventures. From Hanoi's bustling streets to the tranquil waters of Ha Long Bay, every corner offers something unique. Planning your 2025 trip is easier than ever, thanks to the Vietnam eVisa, a simple online system that replaces old paperwork and embassy visits. This guide will walk you through the essentials: what the eVisa is, who can apply, and how to get yours. With clear steps and helpful tips, you'll be ready to explore Vietnam's wonders in no time. Let's get started and make your travel dreams a reality. Your adventure begins now, with the convenience of the eVisa. The Vietnam eVisa is an official electronic travel document for short-term visits, issued by the Vietnam Immigration Department. It's available to citizens of many countries. Check your eligibility on the official portal before applying. The eVisa allows a single entry for up to 30 days, starting from your chosen entry date. It's not extendable, so if you need a longer stay, look into other visa options before you travel. You can enter Vietnam through major airports, land borders, and seaports. Just make sure your entry point is on the approved list. The process is entirely online, making it fast and convenient. Always double-check your eligibility and entry point before finalizing your plans. With the eVisa, exploring Vietnam has never been simpler. Ready to apply? Use only the official government websites: evisa.duatnapcan.gov.vn, thithukdientu.gov.vn, or evisa.gov.vn. Start by uploading a clear scan of your passport's data page and a recent passport-style photo. No glasses, plain background. Your passport must be valid for at least 6 months from your entry date. Fill out the online form with your exact personal details, travel dates, and entry-exit points. Pay the standard $25 USD fee using a major credit or debit card. After payment, you'll get a confirmation email with a unique registration code. Save it. Use this code to check your application status. Once submitted, your application is in the hands of the Vietnam Immigration Department. Processing usually takes about 3 working days, not counting weekends or Vietnamese holidays. You'll receive an email with a link to download your official eVisa letter as a PDF. Print at least 2 copies, one for your passport, one as backup. You may need to show this printed letter at airline check-in and upon arrival. Double-check all details on your eVisa letter. Name, passport number, dates. Must match your passport exactly. If you spot any errors, contact the eVisa portal support or reapply. An incorrect eVisa can cause problems at immigration, so accuracy is crucial. With your printed eVisa, you're ready for a smooth arrival in Vietnam. Upon arrival, head to immigration with your passport and printed eVisa letter. You must enter through the specific entry point listed on your application. If your plans change, you'll need a new eVisa for a different entry point. Beware of unofficial websites. Always use the official portals to avoid scams and extra fees. Double-check every detail before submitting your application. Even small mistakes can invalidate your visa. Remember, the eVisa is single entry and valid for 30 days. Plan accordingly. For longer stays, research other visa options before your trip. With these tips, you're set for a hassle-free entry and an amazing Vietnamese adventure.